Hello, my name is Ho Jingwei, and today I will be showing the coding behind the Mastermind computer game that I did for the programming project for CSC 1024 Programming Principles. Okay, so left side is the code that I typed in, and right side is the place where I can run the code and see what's happened. So for me to show it more specifically and clear, so I will print select the fruit so I can see what is the secret fruit that I've selected. So in this case, the secret fruit will be apple, apple, and durian, durian. So let's see what will happen if I type apple, apple, orange, and orange. So we say 2 fruits in the correct place and 0 fruits in the wrong place because I got 2 fruits in the correct place, which is the apple, apple. So let's see, durian, durian, and apple, apple. So we say that 0 in the correct place, but 4 correct fruits, but in the wrong place. So let's see what it will do when I place apple, apple, durian, and mango. So it asks for me to enter 4 fruits only from the list, which is the apple, durian, rambutan, and orange. Alright. So let's see what if I type apple, apple, durian, durian. So it said that congratulations, I found all the secret fruits, which is apple, apple, durian, durian. And it has said that I took 4 guesses to get to the correct answer. And here the system will prompt and ask if I want to continue to play again or not. So let's see if I press 1. So you run the program again, which is give me another new code, 2233, which will be rambutan, rambutan, and orange, orange. Let's type in. So let's see, this time I press 0, it will just say thank you for playing. So this is my code, and thank you. Okay, so here we'll be looking at the function that we have on our program, which is the function correct fruits. So this function is to count the number of fruits that are in order when all fruits exist. So the function correct fruits are with the arguments user list and fruit list. And in this function, if item in the user list is the same as the fruit list, correct will +1, else the wrong will +1. And now we'll be looking at the second function, which is the wrong fruits, and this will do what opposite as what we did just now. This will count the number of fruits that are in order when all fruits are not exist. So here we'll be using user list 1 and fruit list 1 instead of just user list and fruit list, because we had used that argument before. But in here we'll just copy what we have in the user list into user list 1 and what we have in fruit list into fruit list 1. And we'll be using fruit list equals to -1 to remove the fruit to avoid any repeated fruits. So now we have the third function, which is convert, and this is just convert any possible input into their initial, and this is to make sure all possible inputs are executable. Okay, so now we have our main function, which is the mastermind, and I've created a loop and execute when it's true. So we have a secret fruits from apple, durian, rambutan to orange, and created a fruit list where to set initial of fruits to list position. I created selected fruits as a list to store selected fruits, and user guesses to store users guesses, and set guess counter to 0. And I've randomly select 4 different fruits from the secret fruits, and I have set CFCP to count correct fruits with correct position and CFWP to count correct fruits but with different position. After that, I will add 1 guess counter each time the loop started, and I will print out all the fruits, which is apple, durian, rambutan, and orange, so that the user know what they should choose from the selected fruits. After that, I will request user to input 4 fruits they want to guess as the secret fruits, and convert all user input to lowercase and remove all the spacing from in front and behind. After that, I will request user to retype input if they type in less than or more than 4 fruits. After that, I will use try to test any error. So for item in the range of the length of the user input, we'll be adding the array position of fruits to user list. And if the user list enter any fruits that is not in the list, system will request user to enter fruits within the list. After that, we will be using if sorted selected fruit equals to sorted user guess to check if both user guesses and selected fruits list contain the same element. And if they are, we will be checking if they are in the correct position. So by using the function correct fruits and wrong fruits, it will tell user how many correct fruit, correct position, and correct fruit, wrong position they get. After that, the program will be stopping the loop when user guess all the fruit in correct types and correct position. So after the user had guessed all the secret fruit correct, the program will print out congratulations that found all the fruits. And after that, the program will print out what is the secret fruits that entered by the user and found out that it is correct. After that, it will print out how many guesses the user took to reach the final answer. And yet, it will ask if the user want to play again, and by typing 1 equal to yes, 0 equals to no. And if they type 0, which is equals to no, it will print out thank you for playing and end the whole function. So before the program had been started, I'll print out some texts that welcome the user to play the traditional board game Mastermind online, and I'll give them some simple guide and rules to guide them on how to play this game and some examples so that they know what they will be doing in the game. After that, I will start the function Mastermind and let the whole program start running.